do you want to say, Elijah? Good morning.
Good morning, Fatty.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, P. I hope you have a big P with toast and poo toast. I hope you have a big poo. I hope you drink your fart.
Yeah.
Elijah, that's horrible. What about you? What have you got to say, Jacob? What do you want for breakfast?
Go Yuki.
Golden cookie. What are you talking about?
I want to eat Call of Duty.
What about Nanai? What's she doing? Can I show Nanai on camera, Jacob?
Yeah, big Go Yuki and I want to eat Call of Duty.